All right, good morning. It is, what's the date, the 12th? 15th? Wow, it's not the 15th, is it? Okay. It is the 15th of January, 2016, and we're in the yard working on the boat. Had some inclement weather. Supposed to be some snow, but it actually was just some flurries, so we covered up the keelson. So today, what I want to do is, the strongback is basically it's a big table. Basically, the purpose of a strongback is so that you can transfer drawings onto a surface that's real size. So basically, we lay out points on the strongback that are then transferred to the boat and used for layout during construction. So if you recall, way back last summer, we laid out station points for each of the frame locations that are going to be used on the boat. So now I have to actually transfer those points off the strongback onto the keelson permanently, now that the keelson has been elevated off the keelson. So what we're trying to do today is to find those original marks on the strongback, so then we can now transfer them up to the keelson, get the keelson locked in place, because when I do this taper, it's very important that those points are pretty exact to what's on the drawings. So that's what we're doing today. So let's take a look. So as you see, the points are still here. These original marks I made are still here. In some locations, they kind of fade out because, you know, the sun will erode everything, but they're still here. So what I'm going to do is take this line and extend it to the edge of that first piece of plywood, and then we're going to slide the keelson over, use a level to transfer those points up, mark the keelson, screw it in place. That way it'll be set for when we actually start cutting the keelson to shape. We'll have those marks transferred, and that's what we have to relieve a little bit of the keelson when we actually start to put the frames on, because the frames will set into the keelson by at least a 1/4 inch, maybe a 1/2 inch, to get a really good bond. So we're starting at this end, as you see. So we'll take that first line there and get it laid out. Then we're going to mark along the square and get that line transferred. So that's what we're doing this morning, and I'll try to get some video of actually transferring the lines from the strongback onto the keelson, but it's hard to video and work. So we'll see.